Hello everyone, welcome to Makeup Simplified. I hope you guys are staying safe in your homes. Today's video is for a very special celebration among Southeast Asians. It's the festival of Onam and Ganesh Chaturthi. Check my video right here from last year Ganesh Chaturthi. So without waiting any further, let's get started. I'm going to start with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in shade Ochre. This is an eyeshadow, but I consider it more like a base for my other eyeshadows or glitters. You can use a concealer as well. For today's look, I'm using the ColourPop Baby Lights eyeshadow. I started using a flat brush, but quickly realized that it wasn't giving me the intense color I was looking for, so I went ahead with my fingertips. And this gave me an intense color payoff. Don't worry about being super precise over here. For today's look, we are using only one eyeshadow, which is this medium gold color with metallic finish. Now I'll use this NYX contour palette by mixing the lighter and darker brown shade to define my crease. Since I'm not doing any cut crease, I've reversed the step and did the glitter shade early on. I'm gonna go from the outside corner and just do a fanning motion across my crease. Start with little product and gradually pack more color. This way you can prevent getting too much color on in one area. It's easier to apply more color than trying to remove it. Now I'll go with the smaller blending brush and just blend and buff out the margins. Next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in Ebony. I like this pencil to create nice thin strokes to fill up any sparse areas in my brows. I don't go too heavy on my brows as I like it to be more natural. Using the spoolie, I'll just fluff out my brows and make them look more natural. Now I'll use this K-Beauty Kajal to tightline my upper waterline. I like this step as it creates more continuous look with my eyeliner than leaving any gaps behind. We're going in with the MAC LIQUIDLAST 24-hour waterproof liner in shade Point Black next, which is the deepest black shade. It's long-wearing, waterproof, and perfect for long Indian summers. On the outside of my eyes, I'm pulling the liner to get a long-winged liner look. It's pretty easy to use than some other liquid eyeliners I've used in the past. While applying liquid eyeliners, always remember to give it some time to dry, unlike pencil eyeliners, which dry instantly. Liquid eyeliners can take some practice initially. Always remove excess at the edge of your bottle. Start with a very thin line very close to your base of your lashes. This helps prevent creating skin gaps between your lashes and your eyeliner. Don't pull your skin to apply eyeliner as it can create very uneven lines and also damage the delicate skin around your eyes. On the inner corner, I'm extending the line a bit more to give my eyes an elongated shape. I'll use the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette next under my brow bone. But as you can see, I got some of my eyeliner on my eyelid. Using a Q-tip and some micellar water, I was able to clean it up. Q-tips are your best bet when correcting any makeup errors. I followed it up with some of the brown contouring shade and a little bit of the golden eyeshadow to correct it. Then using a fluffy brush, I blended it well together. Back to the highlighter, using a pointed brush, I'm highlighting on the inner corner of my eyes as well as under my brow bone. When highlighting under the brow, keep the brush as thin as possible to draw a soft but thin line. I'm now curling my eyelashes using my ever so favorite L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara in Blackest Black. I'm purposely only doing the upper lashes right now, and I'll explain it later as to why. Remember the rolling motion! I used the BECCA primer as my base, but I accidentally turned the recording off when I applied it. So we're going to follow this with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Vanish Color Corrector in shade Medium. For deeper skin tones, go for the shade Tan, which is more of an orange shade. It's creamy and lightweight and helps conceal under-eye pigmentation. I also go around my nostrils and my lips with it, blending with my fingertips as I go. Next, I'm going to use my recently purchased and absolutely loved L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. I've used it in my previous video as well. Also, I'm applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in Peach under my eyes. To apply this, use a beauty blender, but never a dirty one. Use a clean washed beauty blender. This L'Oreal foundation does a lot for the price. It does demi-matte, so it's great for my combination skin. It's long-wearing and provides medium coverage, which is what I love. It won't budge with hot weather, so if you have to wear a mask for a short while with this foundation, it won't move, cake, or look undone. I absolutely recommend this foundation. It's a great drugstore price product. It may look kinda lighter at first, but once you blend everything, it looks seamless. I'll use some loose powder by Stellar Cosmetics to set the foundation and concealer under my eyes. Apply a good amount since you're going to finish the under eye makeup next. This powder helps to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow applied on the lower lash line. I'll use the same brown contour shade to line my lower lash line, using a small packed brush to apply it and then blend using a small eyeshadow blending brush. I will go ahead with the K-Beauty Kajal in shade Onyx to tightline my lower waterline. Now I'm going to let go of the excess powder using a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to use the same NYX contour palette to define my cheeks. I'm going to blend it upward so it lifts the cheeks. Also apply a little bit on your forehead as well as around the jawline. I have also applied some contour powder to define my nose, and I'm just gonna blend it well. Use a large fluffy brush to blend away any harsh edges. Now comes the blush. Here I'm using the MAC Glow Play blush in shade Grand, which is a corally pink cream blush. I love using cream blushes as it gives my skin a blush from within look. I used a beauty blender to apply it as it was super easy to blend with the blender. Try not to overblend the blush with the contour as it can look really muddy if you did. I will apply the highlighter from the MAC Hyper Real Glow on the high points of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and also on the cupid's bow. This helps to highlight all your prominent features. Highlighting above your lips make it look naturally plump and full. You can use a fan brush for this step, or really any fluffy brush would work for it. Now I will finish off my makeup by using mascara on the lower lashes. Now comes my favorite step, the lipstick. This lipstick by Beauty Bakerie in shade Gingersnap is the one I'm applying today. If you've seen my Insta stories a few days ago, you must have seen me raving about these lipsticks by Beauty Bakerie. They have some stunning colors, they are long-lasting and completely transfer-proof. Look at how pigmented the color is just in one swipe. Recently, I've been playing with these Ardell eyelashes a lot. I'm using the Demi Wispies from their collection. They're quite easy to apply. Eyelashes give your eyes a beautiful shape. Comment below if you would like me to create a dedicated tutorial for eyelash application, guys. No Indian festive look is complete without traditional jewelry. And of course, there's the quintessential Kasavu saris that are traditionally worn by women in Kerala. The muted white and gold handloom saris are pure elegance. So here is my final look, everyone. Thank you for watching till the end. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at make.up.simplified and use hashtag makeoverbycash so I can see how amazing your looks are. Bye!